That's a good snook, guys. That's a nice snook. Oh. Guys, top water fishing. We're walking the dog right there. It's amazing. It really became one of my favorite fishing to do lately. Early bite. It's amazing. When you see the blow up, and I love it when they fish on. Oh, I love it. I'm telling you guys, that's a different feeling. Let's anchor. This is a different feeling. Oh, little baby Snooky. I'm telling you guys, it's unbelievable. It's a little ding, snook. We'll get him off the hook. There we go. But what a rush. What a nice feeling. I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. Here we go. Little baby snook. Early in the morning, top water. I'm telling you guys, you just like, you get a different feeling top water when you get a top water bite. You see the blow up, and I love it. Like I was saying, when they miss it one time, second time, third time, they're missing like plop, plop, plop. Look right there. See, what is that? Oh, something's on it. Oh, see, this is so much fun. I mean, it's not really sight fishing, but you know they're there. You just know. Oh, I just got a nice top water bite again. Oh, fish on, baby. Oh, he came back for it. Oh, that's a good one. We spot locked, yes. That's a good snook, guys. That's a nice snook. That's a nice snook. He came back for it. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh, don't go under. In the net, baby. In the net. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love this feeling. Oh, I love this. Man, I'm telling you guys, top water bite. There's nothing like it. Let's take that off real quick. Oh man, this is unbelievable. Easy, buddy, easy. There you go, we got you. Easy. Here we go. Let's put that aside for now. Look at this, guys. Beautiful snook. Let's measure that really quick. What do we got? We have easy, buddy, easy. We have, oh my god, nice, 25, exactly, 25 inch, almost slot. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love the early top water. Look at this, guys. Beautiful 25 inch healthy snook. We're gonna take a picture and we're gonna let him go. Let's go, baby. Oh, another bite. And they're right there. Oh, come on. Almost had it. See how they missed that. How do they miss this? Like, they grab it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. What a way to... Oh, he jumped in the air. Oh, did you see that? Did you guys see that? He literally dove. Another snook. Yep, another snook. Oh my god, guys. This is crazy. Oh, and the dolphin is there, man. So I don't want to... Hold on. I don't want to put him back in the water. Hold on. I'm gonna let you go, man. You're too small anyways. Yeah, look. He's right there. The dolphin. Check my other video, guys, on this dolphin. I caught a snook, came off the hook just like that on the top water right there, and he was lurking right behind me. As soon as it fell in the water, he came from behind and gulped the snook, dude. It was crazy. I'm gonna post it for you as well down below so you guys can check it. But man, look at him. Manatees. There we go. That's off. Perfect. Another snooky. We'll let him go, baby. We gotta make sure that Dolphin is not around so I can let him go. He could survive. We need more healthy keeper snooks, man. Slot snooks. Look at him. I'm not giving it to you, buddy. Let's go. That's our third snook of the day. Unbelievable. 3 snook back to back. Oh, look at the blow up. Guys, I'm telling you, this is crazy. I haven't took a sip of my Wawa coffee. Oh man, good morning again, everybody. Gotta have Wawa. Oh man. Oh yeah, right there. Right there. Come on, follow it. Come on, big blow up. Big blow up. Come on, big blow up. Oh, twice. Oh, I knew it. Dude. Oh, he followed it. Dude, I'm telling you guys, this is epic today. The water is hot, fishing is hot. Wow. Oh, here we go. Oh man, dude. Come on. Dude, they're right there. Come on. They're hungry, man. They're hungry. These snooks are hungry. That was a like 20 inch, I think. Come on, right there. You're right there, I know, come on. Whoop it, come on. Oh, dude. This is unbelievable. I just can't get enough of this. Oh man, I wish I could stop time from 6:30 to 8:30 and just keep fishing top water. I love it. Oh man. Oh, what? Dude. Come on. Oh my god, what? Oh, look at him. Look at him. He just followed it all the way. Oi. Oh man. Come on. Oh, they're biting, baby. They're biting. Come on. Oh, shoot. Dude. And the dolphins know. Look at him now. 2 of them coming this way. My god. Come on. One more snook. 3. Now 3 dolphins. They're right there. See that sound? That wing sound? It's crazy. It simulates them, I think. Simulates their sensors. Come on. Right there. Come on. Oh yeah. Right there. I have a feeling we're gonna get a bite. Come on. Come on, dolphin, man. You're scaring them away, man. Oh, man. Dolphin. You're like a sea blocker, you know? Come on. Don't be doing that, man. Oh, what you got? Oh!
Tarpon.
Do you see that tarpon? That was so cool. Live shrimp?
Yeah.
Yeah, live shrimp. Oh! Oh, oh, oh.
Doing his show.
That's good. And you still have him hooked, so that's really cool. Oh man, I got it on camera too, so I'll put it on my channel. You can watch it.
Okay.
That's so cool. Another jump. Come on, we're waiting for that big jump. Ah, that was awesome. That's awesome. Come on. He got more jumps in him. I know he does.
He's a good size one. That's
Oh, I know he's a really good size. Wow, here we go. I love this. Oh man, early morning bite. Water is hot, bite is hot. She got that nice tarpon. I love it. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, he wants to shake it off. They're famous with that. Let's see. Oh man, gotta love it. Good job, good job. Whoa. Well, I saw the leader, so you officially caught that, so great job. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, here we go. Here we go. Look at that, on a live shrimp. Nice tarpon. Nice. Great job. I'll post it on my channel. Oh man, I love it. Gotta love that. She got a nice big tarpon. I'm telling you guys, morning bite. Nothing like morning bite. Look at that. Gonna get
I
it.
think the Dolphin just won.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
Oh my God. What? As you were trying to...
Belly?
As you were trying to get him off the hook, right? Oh yeah, he got the tarpon. Oh my God, Dolphin just got the tarpon. Wow, that is crazy. These dolphins, man, unbelievable. Look at him. Yep, he sure got it.
Yep, sure did.
Incredible.
She's happy now.
Oh yes, he got his meal of the day. Wow, great catch.
Thank you.
Oh, she got a tarpon, huge one, and the dolphin just took it right off her boat. Wow, this is epic fishing, guys. Wow. Oh, oh my God, what the, oh, fish on. Oh, it's off. Dude, what's going on today? Holy crap. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. Non-stop action. Wow, come on, you still there? You still there? Wow. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Another snook. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Easy, easy. You don't want to get off the hook, man. Dolphin's there. Oh, I just did. Okay, here we go. Wow. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Another snook, guys. Another snook. Another one. I knew there was something right there, guys. Oh man, this is so cool. Easy, easy, baby, easy. I'm gonna get you off. Let's get the pliers. Oh man, there we go. Oh man, I love it. I love it. All right, here we go. Top water, baby. Another snooky. Let's go. Yes, baby. Let's go. All right, I made my way to the flats. What a crazy Early morning top water bite, guys. Incredible. Gotta love that, man. I can't get enough of it. But now we're on the flats. It's definitely higher, the water level, from last week. Last week was ridiculous. I couldn't even use my motor most of the time. It was pretty bad. But today it looks good. So I think we have a good chance of catching some redfish here, guys. So fish on. See. Fish on, baby. Right there on the little deep pocket. CellBlok. And we got our redfish as well. I love this. I love it, guys. I love it when the plan works. Easy, easy, man. Easy. I'm gonna get you. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, buddy. Easy. Guys, this is unbelievable. On top of the mount, flamingo. I'm telling you guys, Slam Shady. It's amazing. It does perfect. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that blue tail. Beautiful redfish. Let's measure real quick. It is 15 and a half. Almost 16 inch. But that's our first red of the day. After 6 snook, we'll take a picture and let him go. I love this. I love again. This. Again, fish on. Dude, second one. Back to back. Right in that little pocket, guys. Little deep area. That's like 3 feet there. Oh man, I gotta love this. They're killing the flamingo, man. Look at this, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. They're really choking that, man. Wow. Guys, this is unreal. Right on the side of the mouth. Again, flamingo. Beautiful redfish. One more. I think this is smaller than the other one. But let's see. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. I think this is gonna be like 15. Easy, easy, buddy, easy. I'm gonna let you go. Easy. Yeah, this is actually 15 and a half. The other one was 16. So, guys, beautiful, beautiful redfish again. Gotta love this feeling. I will let him go. Yeah, baby. I love it. I love it. Ready, buddy? Oops, see you later. Guys, unbelievable. What a morning. It's like 9:30. And it's not even like a couple hours. We got 6 snook, hot top water bite. Incredible. Back to back, back to back. And we got the huge tarpon on camera that she caught. And Dolphin just ate that. And now 2 redfish back to back. Gotta love this, man. Oh my God. If you guys like this, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys watching every week. It feels so good to share all this stuff with you guys. I love it. I really do love it. So I hope you guys do too. If you do, hit that subscribe button. But let's go, man. Let's keep fishing. Let's get that redfish, baby.